Hi, welcome to Carter & Haynes. This is our Kia Ceed. Well spec car this. Really nice well spec car. 2018. Finished in black, as you can see. Power folding mirrors. Panoramic sunroof. These Kia Ceeds do offer exceptional value for money with the spec they've got. This is what now, 7 years old, I think. To open it with the key. So we've got I think these are faux leather seats. Really nice inside. Really surprised actually how nice these are. So this has got electric memory seats, JBL sound, the pan sunroof, electric seats, ventilated seats, sat nav. I mean, what a load of spec. It's got, yeah. So yeah, really nice car. We do offer finance. We accept part exchanges. If you go to www.carterandhaynes.co.uk, give us a call on 01244 570 814. Thanks for looking.